Hi, James. Seems that you have a good understanding of what we're trying to do here with the different approaches, the freeform and the grid approach. We're looking at the freeform poster. You've done a decent job in picking imagery that makes sense. The font choices I like, particularly the sans serif one that you're using for the address and the name of the shop. I might suggest limiting down your other font choices here to one rather than the two or three that you have going on here. The idea that you can bend text, run it at angles, all that kind of stuff you're doing here. A couple of things seem kind of counter to what's going on here. The angle that you have or the curve that you have this bit of text on seems to really fight with the rest of this cup form, and maybe coming in and reversing it so it follows more along the lines that are dominant in this image, which are opposite of the one that you're using here. And then this bit of text becomes nearly impossible to read because of the distortion. So I might distort it a little. I suggest that you distort it a little less to help legibility. Here again, you're doing some really great things. I like that you're doing kind of a grid version and a freeform version using quite a lot of the same imagery here. Here I would suggest, again, limiting font choices to a couple. The grid that you've got established here works really well, but it's slightly off, so make sure that this justification keeps running through all the way through these groups of texts. And what happens often is people align the text boxes rather than the text itself. So make sure that the text is aligned. This is fine over here. It's all justified along the same axes. I think you're missing one trick here, and that is if we bring the line down here all the way through, getting this line... What's wrong? Getting this line of text, sorry, that was my puppy there. He must have thought I was crazy. Getting this line of text justified all the way to the left here, so that the top and the bottom have a visual relationship, I think would really tie these together. I'm going to send them back to you graded. They have... you've got a good understanding of what's going on. I just think that they need to be, a couple things need to be resolved, okay? Good work.